Breezy and warm today, low to mid 80s for most areas. We're still kind of hovering in that low to even mid 70s range now with a southwest wind. Still think there's a low end chance we may see a few isolated severe storms along the Tennessee-Kentucky border, but I will say the threat is pretty low. Midnight to 2 a.m. areas to the west, 2 to 4 central, 4 to 6 areas to the east. Let me show you a wider view of the radar. Most of the stronger storms have been well to our north. We're watching this batch back towards the mid-state in Nashville right now. That is developing because there is some storm fuel in this area. And there is some across our region right now. But by the time that cluster of storms gets here, watch what happens over the next couple of hours. Our storm fuel wanes, which means it'll be hard for those storms to contain themselves, like continue to grow or stay the same strength. So yes, there may be a few showers or rumbles overnight, but I'm not thinking there will be severe. There's a narrow window really right across the Kentucky-Tennessee border over the next couple of hours. If we don't see those, we're going to be fine overnight. This is 2 a.m. We'll see the shower chances drop south and east. And again, you see not as much bright yellow or red showing up across the area, just random rain showers. And that should be the case into early tomorrow morning. After about 8 or 9 a.m., that pushes to the east. We'll see drier conditions through the afternoon. So upper 40s to low 50s to start, and then we'll struggle to get back in the low to mid 60s for afternoon highs with brisk northwest winds for tomorrow. So a jacket is probably a good idea if you're heading over to the Smokies home game there. 61 at 7 p.m., which means about 59 first pitch at 7:30, and dropping through the low 50s as we go through the rest of the game there. Cold start, we'll say Wednesday morning, right? Upper 30s to low 40s. Still don't think there'll be a huge frost or freeze threat at this point. But even with full sunshine in the afternoon, highs only in the low to mid 60s on our Wednesday. So when does it warm back up? Thursday, getting in the low 70s and then some near or low 80s all the way through the Easter weekend. The way it looks right now, another dome of high pressure kind of sits off the Atlantic seaboard, and that's going to block this cold front from getting through. So as we go through the day Saturday, this is Saturday morning at 7 a.m. It's mainly dry, but you see a lot of cloud cover. Much the same through Saturday afternoon at 4 and all the way up to Easter Sunday morning as well. So keeping it dry, just mainly cloudy. Sunrise, by the way, at 6:57. Temperatures near 60 at sunrise and climbing in the low 70s by the time we get to midday. We're going to top out in the low 80s on Easter Sunday. I do think that high breaks down, though, early next week. That means some shower and storm chances come back, especially in the afternoon hours on our Monday. But tomorrow, just expect temperatures about 20 degrees cooler than today.
Oh, my goodness. All right, Ken, thank you. Sam Rothman joins us now. We're talking about